Hello, thank you very much for coming to my channel again. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel and become a family. Thank you. What are the best foods to eat for your liver? Your liver is one of the largest organs in your body, and its primary function is to filter the system by converting toxins to waste products, cleansing your blood, and processing various nutrients. While a healthy lifestyle without any overindulgences is the key to a healthy liver, certain foods can help cleanse your liver. A list. 1. Leafy greens. Green, leafy vegetables are high in chlorophyll and soak up a lot of toxins from the bloodstream. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and do not add too much to your calorie count, making them the go-to food. A diet rich in leafy greens reduces the risk of obesity, heart disease, and high blood pressure. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are a major source of glutathione. This triggers cleansing enzymes that help flush out carcinogens and other toxic compounds in the body. Add a lot of broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower to your diet. 3. Fatty fish. If you are someone who loves seafood, ensure that you add fresh tuna, anchovies, sardines, and mackerel in your diet. These fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in our body. Research says that they prevent the buildup of excess fats and maintain enzymes levels in the liver. 4. Infusions. Did you know that coffee and tea are good for the liver? Coffee reduces the risk of liver cancer, while tea, especially green tea, is high in antioxidants. Infusion of rosemary is also found to be very beneficial for the liver. 5. Garlic packed with antibacterial agents and selenium. Garlic, when eaten, activates liver detox enzymes. These enzymes work on eliminating the toxins from the body. 6. Nuts high in fats and nutrients. Nuts are good for the gut. It was found that eating nuts improved levels of liver enzymes. Add walnuts generously to your diet because they contain high levels of glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids that support liver cleansing naturally. Almonds are rich in vitamins that again help the liver. 7. Spices. Turmeric is a magic spice. Curcumin, an active ingredient in turmeric, flushes out toxins and repairs the liver cells. 8. Olive oil. If your doctor has advised you to switch to an oil that reduces fat accumulating the liver, provides improved insulin sensitivity, and improved blood levels of liver enzymes, it is high time you considered olive oil as your medium for cooking. 9. Fruits and berries. Ensure your diet includes grapefruit, apples, avocados, and all citrus fruits. These fruits are good for the gut and stimulate the liver. Fresh juices are also good for the liver. 10. Alternative grains. Whole grain products like oatmeal, brown rice, millet, and barley are great for the liver. High in fiber, these foods reduce the storage of sugar in the liver. These foods help cleanse the liver. However, the key to any diet is to eat with moderation and follow a strict and systematic exercise schedule. Talk to the dietitian at Kim's Hospital if you have fatty liver disease or diabetes to know more about the diets to follow. 11. Grapefruit. Grapefruit contains antioxidants that naturally protect the liver. The two main antioxidants found in grapefruit are naringenin and naringin. The protective effects of grapefruit are known to occur in two ways: by reducing inflammation and protecting cells. According to a 2023 analysis by Trusted Source, studies have also shown that these antioxidants can help reduce the development of hepatic fibrosis. Hepatic fibrosis is a harmful condition in which excessive connective tissue builds up in the liver. This typically results from chronic inflammation. The effects of grapefruit or grapefruit juice itself, rather than its components, have not been studied. Additionally, almost all studies looking at the antioxidants in grapefruit have been conducted in animals, according to the 2023 analysis. Nevertheless, the current evidence suggests that grapefruit may benefit liver health by helping prevent damage and inflammation. Thank you very much for coming to my channel again. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to our channel and become a family. Thank you.